Let's learn the Hebrew alphabet letters and their sounds. The first letter, Aleph, doesn't really make a sound. We might talk about another video about the vowel sound in the Hebrew language, and Aleph does make a sound only if it has like a vowel set, because it doesn't make the sound, but the vowel makes a sound for it. Bet makes a B. Gil makes a G. Dal makes a D. He makes a H. Vav makes a V, but can also sometimes not really make a sound and be kind of just make a sound with the vowel. It's what it makes. Zai makes a Z. Chet makes a Ch. Tet makes a T. Yud makes a Y. Kaf makes a K. Lamed makes a L. Mem makes a M. Nun makes a N. Samach makes a S. Ayin makes like no sound, just like Aleph, and just like Aleph, if the vowels will say it will make the vowel sound. Pei makes a P. Tzadi makes a T. Kuf makes a K. Reish makes a R. Give me a sec. I'm sorry for the delay. I had out the wrong letter. I will be with you very shortly. Yeah, there you go. Sorry. Shin makes a sh. And Taf makes a T. There we have it. Something I'll tell you that might make it a little bit easier to remember this. Except for Aleph and Ayin that don't make sounds. And just a quick reminder, this is Aleph and Ayin. And we've got Ayin right here. Everything else, those sounds are just like what the letters are called. So a Taf makes a T, Bet makes a B, and so on. Well, I hope this video is helpful to you in any way. And please leave comments down below if you have questions, or a comment, my bad. And I hope to see you next time.